Meaning of failed state.
Failed state.
Failed state.
Failed state.
Failed state. A failed state refers to a nation-state that has essentially collapsed and lacks the capacity to provide basic security and essential public services to its citizens. Such states are often characterized by rampant crime, political instability, economic collapse, and social disintegration. Failed states are unable to maintain law and order, protect their borders, or deliver basic services such as healthcare and education. The consequences of state failure can include humanitarian crises, civil wars, and the emergence of terrorist groups. Ultimately, failed states are unable to meet the needs of their citizens and may pose a threat to regional or global stability.